In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get invoice from eBay. If you've ever needed a clean, printable invoice for reimbursements, accounting, or warranty purposes, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find it inside your eBay account and how to make it look professional. First, head to the eBay homepage on a desktop browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. At the top of the page, move your cursor over the My eBay menu. This opens a quick drop-down that gives you shortcuts to your activity. If you don't see it, zoom out a bit or widen your window so the full top navigation is visible. From that drop-down, select Purchase History. This takes you to a timeline of everything you've bought, along with order statuses and links to manage each purchase. If you have a lot of orders, use the filters to adjust the date range or search by keyword to quickly find the item you need an invoice for. Once you spot the correct order, look for the link labeled View Order Details next to that purchase. Click it. This page shows the full breakdown of the transaction, including item specifics, the total you paid, shipping method, and taxes. Double check that you've opened the right order, especially if you bought multiple similar items or if the seller combined several purchases into one shipment. On the order details page, look for the option that says Printer Friendly Page. Click it. This opens a streamlined version of the order that's designed to print cleanly without extra menus or clutter. It's essentially your invoice view, formatted so that the essential information stands out. Your invoice now appears. You'll see the item title, quantity, purchase price, shipping and tax lines, the total amount, the order date, and identifiers you might need for records. Seller information and your delivery details are typically included as well. Review everything to make sure the amounts and dates match what you expect. From here, you can use your browser's print command to produce a paper copy or choose Save as PDF for a digital file. If your organization needs a specific naming convention, rename the file before saving so it's easy to find later. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If the printer-friendly link isn't visible, refresh the page, clear your browser cache, or try another browser. For orders placed a long time ago, adjust the purchase history date range to reveal older transactions, and if a seller issued a revised invoice or a combined order, open the exact order details associated with that final total. That's it. Hover on My eBay, open purchase history, view the order details, choose the printer-friendly page, and your invoice is ready.